So for this pattern I'm using an acrylic medium worsted yarn and 8mm crochet hook. So for the crochet hook, usually which you use, it will be written in the label, yarn label, which you usually buy. Otherwise, for medium worsted, you can use from 5 to 8mm crochet hook. It's up to you how you want it. I'll start with a slip knot and then I'm going to chain 20. So it's a random number. Depending on your actual project, you chain the number you need. So on the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 1. In the same chain, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet. I'm gonna skip 2. In the next chain, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all in the same chain. Like this. I'm gonna continue, skip 2. In the next chain, a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. As simple as that. Repeat. Skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Repeat. Skip 2. So I ended up with 2 stitches, so I should have done 21 stitches, 21 chains in the beginning. So I will just lock this 2 and that's it. I will chain 2. Now I'm gonna work in all the chain 1 spaces only, which were the V stitches. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and repeat on the next V stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Only repeat till the end of the row. And this is the last V stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and we straight go to the next row again, chain 2 when I start the row, and start my work on the V stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This is how it's gonna be throughout the work. I'm gonna finish few rows and then come back to show you how it looks like. And this is how it looks like after 5 rows. This is the pattern. It's perfect for summer and very easy to make. It's just a repetitive row throughout the project, whichever project you'd like to achieve. So if you have any question or comments, as always, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. The written pattern will be linked in the description box. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.